Hey folks, it's Greg Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And right now I'd like to tell you a little bit about our CEO and founder, Nicholas Dagnillo, who prefers to go by Nick. So Nick, I met 5 years ago when he opened Nexus. Now Nexus was an idea on a napkin. And what I mean by that is Nick was a professional poker player and he was sitting down at the table one day and thought, you know what? I own my own properties. I manage them currently. Why can't I do that for other people and other investors? So he jotted down on that napkin a potential logo for Nexus, which I'll show on the screen. And lo and behold, that has come to fruition. Just 5 years later, we're a national franchise. And for many years, Nick was a high-stakes blackjack dealer and a professional poker player. And the advantage to this that he still applies today is the ability to analyze risk and reward instantly. Okay? So many business owners these days are not sure. Okay? They don't know how to make decisions properly. But Nick is so calculated and he's so intelligent that decisions come like a snap. So that's the advantage that Nexus has, and also you do as a franchisee. The captain of the ship is definitely in charge, he's definitely in command, and he knows where he's going, okay? So this has been Gregory. We're here at Nexus Property Management, your property managed.